So guys, welcome back to LT Education. So in our previous class, we have basically set up how our absence quota will get generated either through the program or in the increase mode or in the replace mode. Okay. Now what we will do, we will be setting up some rule for our absence quota. Okay. So for that, we will go to time management, time data recording and administration. After that, we will click on managing time accounts. And under this, we will click on calculating absence entitlement. So previously we have worked on this automatic accrual. Now we will be clicking on the rules for generating absence quota. How our absence quota will get generated. Okay. So we will select this icon, specify rule group for quota type selection. We will click on this. Then we will click on modify feature QUOMO. So basically in QUOMO feature, we are setting up how the quota accrual will take place, how and in whether weekly, hourly, or daily, or monthly, the absence quota will be accrued. Okay. So we are basically working on the USA configuration, and what I will be doing, I will be setting up the configuration based on my employee, who is a hourly rate employee, and his employee grouping we have set up as one. Okay, and the employee subgroup you can see it is as U1. So in the QUOMO feature, we will be setting up the return value. Okay, based on some condition. If our employee subgroup is U1, then I will be setting up some selection rule group, which will be used to set up our accrual, you can say accrual entitlement, or the how the quota will be accrued. So field for decision operation, we will be setting one condition. Here I will be selecting one employee subgroup. I will click on transfer. Okay. And under this, I will be setting another condition if the employee group is subgroup is U1. Okay. If the employee subgroup is U1, I will be returning one value. Okay. So return value will be, let's suppose, 10. Okay. Otherwise, I can set up the same value which is coming below. Return value as 0, 1. Okay. So I have set up some condition. I will check whether is there any error in this feature QUOMO. When I have made some changes, I will click on this check icon. Field node must have dependent nodes. I have already created them, but is giving the error. One second, let me delete this. Maybe it may because of the error. Now if I see if there is any error coming. Yeah, no error is coming. Okay. So we have set up one condition. If the employee group is U1, the selection rule group will be used as 10 for our absence quota accrual generation. Okay, now I have set up there is no error, and now I can generate this QUOMO feature. Okay, feature has been generated, and we have set up the rule group value as 10. Based on this rule group, our absence quota will get generated or accrued based on the condition.